Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Bazurek visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, a pleasant start to the day, but it's going to warm up by afternoon.
Yeah, Joe, we're starting out here this morning with a pleasant morning. Like you said, we got temperatures that are in the upper 50s in McCook, Colby, and Atwood. We got a 60-degree reading out there in Goodland, Burlington, and St. Francis. And you get out there to Denver, and we got our warmer reading of 64. Those winds are from a southwest direction, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. They'll pick up and turn to more westerly direction this afternoon at 10 to 20, gusting to 25 miles per hour. And we'll see a warm up into the lower 90s. So it's going to be a hot and breezy afternoon. Tonight's low will be around 56. We got a low pressure system that's going to be in trough developing over the Great Lakes region overnight and tomorrow. And that'll turn our winds to a more northerly direction and then eventually to the southeast tomorrow afternoon. That'll pull some cooler, dry air from the north over the area. We'll go temperature on the middle 50s for tomorrow with an overnight low of 59. We'll still have the sunshine, and it'll be a pleasant day. Those winds will be from the north to the southeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Then on Friday, it gets hot again. We'll see temperatures climb back up there into the 90s. And then we got an active weather pattern that will begin to develop then. We'll start to see shower and storm chances in the evening. We could see that activity continuing all the way through the weekend and early next week as that low pressure and trough will spin over the Great Lakes region. We'll have a ridge build over the Mississippi and deep south that'll pull Gulf moisture into the plain states. And in our northwesterly and westerly flow coming over the Rockies, we'll have those daily afternoon and evening storm chances. Some of those storms through the nighttime hours as convective storm complexes have moved through, and that would produce some heavy rainfall and the potential for some severe weather. Temperature-wise, we'll start to see them become cooler over the weekend. Fridays will be hot once again, like we said. And then for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we'll see them drop into the lower 80s, which is more seasonal for this time of year. Could even be in the upper 70s on Sunday. Overnight lows will be in the lower to mid 50s. And then as we head into further next week, we'll keep morning showers in the forecast on Tuesday, a high of 84. Back up into the middle to upper 80s on Wednesday, heading towards 90 by the end of the week. And the Father's Day weekend looks like it could be drier, windier, and back into the 90s for high temperatures.
Chris, after Father's Day kind of moves past on the calendar, are we expecting warm and dry weather to continue as we wrap up the month of June?
We're starting to trend to more of a warmer, drier pattern, it looks like, as we head past the middle of the month. That could be indicative of the El Nino-La Nina transition phase. We're seeing maybe that drying out and heading towards a hot and drier July.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather in Atwood, Kansas, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Bazurek.